Valeria will never forget this spring. Her 6-year-old son, Mark, relies on foreign medicines to manage his epilepsy. But as Russia faced sanctions and isolation from the West, the first months of the Ukraine conflict saw medicines vanish from pharmacies.
I felt the world was swept from under my feet. I went to 8 pharmacies and I couldn't find any medicine. I had to order it from an app and go to a different city 120 kilometers away to get it. It was painful. Even in Moscow there was no medication.
Most medicines are now available, despite higher prices and ongoing supply issues. But the problem runs deeper. Many foreign companies have stopped clinical trials, research and investments in Russia, and a shortage of components is affecting key areas like HIV testing.
We're concerned. We've seen information that laboratories are having problems with general blood tests. Patients from many regions are telling us they're being refused HIV status tests and viral load tests. Doctors are saying different things. Some say they're out of tests, some blame sanctions. We are concerned because certain technical components could be sanctioned.
One of Russia's biggest producers of active pharmaceutical ingredients is working to secure the pharma industry from future shocks. Its new production facility was launched by the Russian Prime Minister. The company's president says the operation is more than just a commercial business.
Any country in the modern world which conducts an independent policy must have sovereign strategic products, which ensure national security, and medicines are on that list. We need a strategic program in Russia where we can have full-cycle production of strategically important medicines. There are 215 medicines, and this list must be fully produced in Russia. We are actively working on that.
Russia's Pharma 2030 strategy aims to double domestic production of medicines over 8 years. Despite clear progress made by the previous Pharma 2020 program, not all targets were met and future ones remain distant.
This timescale of 2030 named by the Ministries of Trade, Industry, Education and Science is quite questionable. Even if the process was already moving, we would still need 15 years and $3 to $4 billion for each medicine. So we'll have to talk to our partners, Western and others.
Today, Russia's pharma industry seems to be largely coping with the initial shock of the new reality it faces. But to avoid long-term stagnation and ensure healthcare providers can meet all patient needs, it's clear there's much work to be done, both to support domestic industry and build relationships with foreign partners. Daniel Hawkins, TRT World, Moscow.